guys. This little exhaust. Oh shit. Alright guys, today we're taking off this seat cover because we're gonna use another seat cover for it. Take these little grabs like this, all of them, one by one. And then if they don't come out like this, then you just pull them with a pair of pliers, and that'll be it. Alright guys, so now you have all of this, you gotta pull them all out. This thing is time consuming, but take your time guys, take your time, do a good job. Everything is off, just have to pull it out carefully like this. It's a little bit dirty from riding. There's another one here, no? Let's see. It's off. One thing I don't recommend guys is putting I don't recommend putting glue, because when you do, it rips. You rip another cover and then you screw. There you go guys, look. This is the cover. Look at this guys. I hate to admit it man, but this quad's been underwater in a bunch of stuff I did to it in the summers. And it's pretty clean, man. Very proud of it. Look at this. Completely clean seat. Stripping here a little bit. I'm gonna put the cover. Let's go put the new cover, see how it looks. This is the new cover guys. This is the brand. It looks rubbery, plasticky, and a very nice touch to it. Very grippy, as you can see. Look, very grippy. It's very grippy, and it looks durable. Let's see how it looks. Look guys, without the staples, I think it looks really cool, man. Really like the feel of it. Really like the way it feels on your hand. Now I'm just gonna staple it. See how it looks with the staples on. Okay guys, what you want to do, you want to just put the cover in the right places, so then you could just staple it. As you can see right now, this one looks pretty good. Has a pretty good look to it. Now we just have to stretch it to the max and make it look even nicer, all right? And put more staples so it could be secured, all right? Okay guys, everything is done now. Now all I have to do is grease up the chain a little bit, and man, and she's all greased up and ready to go, man. Just miswriting this thing, but with nobody can leave. As you can see, everything is good. Quad is in good shape. This little beast, as you can see over there, oil level is pretty good, but just a little bit to be on the level side. I lost a sticker here, but I like it all in black like this, little bits of red. Let me know, guys. Let me know if you guys like black with little bits of red the way I have it. Man, the reason I didn't change this bumper yet, because I like it, man. Let it hit a tree or something. Grab bar as well. Seat cover's pretty good. She's looking good. These tires are amazing. You feel it right away. Alba rims, as you can see, all of them still have air on the tires. Awesome. I just put a screw here because this was loose. I just put another screw here because I lost one. And I took all the plastics before. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. So I took all the plastics before and I just greased it all up. As you can see right here, this is what I use to grease all my machine, man. She'll be like clean as a whistle. As you can see, the exhaust is like that. You put a little bit of this liquid, look how it goes. You know, you just spray everything on it. It looks brand new, man. You know, just a little bit. Since I cleaned the whole inside, everything is good. All right, so now all I have to do is wait for the good time to ride. Okay, guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you guys have any questions, anything you want me to do, subscribe and let me know. Comments below and subscribe. All right, let me know if you guys like these brand new parts right here. I love them. Everything is working perfect now. So yeah, she's ready for another day. Peace. Check the oil level. As you can see, just have to put a little bit, just a little bit more, nothing much. This is my case saver, guys. Everything I got. I just took off the plastics, all of it, and cleaned it all from the insides. So she's ready to ride. This coronavirus shit can't do anything. Yeah, man, if you guys like to see videos from this beast, I have a YouTube channel if you guys would like to go check it out. My Alba wheels. Yeah, I'll put the link down below, man. If you guys want to check out my YouTube channel, it's just nothing crazy, just riding with friends in the woods. Go check it out, give it a subscribe. Alright? Look at this thing, man. I miss riding this. I miss riding this too. Summer's coming. This we could ride all year long. Alright, man. Catch you guys later.
Christmas, smell the weed from a distance, like fresh cooked biscuits. SP's consistent with the stew equipment. Don't hate on our pigment, cause we spit fire liquid. We provide skills that are different. Hop on the beat in an instant. Weed comes by the shipment. There's no limit, no ticket, no gimmick. We can't have you stoned in a New York minute. Get you in touch with your inner spirit.